Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about very simple Java entry question: how to write properties to a file in Java. Java properties file is used to store project configuration data or settings. The properties class is a subclass of hash table. I'll be showing using the decompiler. The properties class is a subclass of hash table that can be read from or written to a stream. It also provides the capability to specify a set of default values to be used. The common use of property files in your project is, say for example, you want to read some properties from your application project. So for that purpose you can have properties file. Property files are mainly used at the runtime or without changing the code. If you want to change any logic in your program, you can do it using the property file. Say you have a property file and you want to change the password. Okay, you can change the property file and you can use the same password internally in the program. If you have hard coded in the program, you have to recompile it and prepare the jar. So if you use a property file, you don't have to do that. So this is what I'm talking about. Properties is a class from Java util package. Okay, it is a subclass of hash table. It extends the hash table, and whenever you call this, these values are set, and the store is a method which will store all these properties in a given file. I'll be showing how exactly the property file looks like. So let's debug and check whether it creates this file or not. Let's see. So I'm going to create a properties object. Okay, this is how I'm going to create the properties object, and I'm going to set some values, key and value. This is the key and this is the value, key and value. Okay, so like this I'll be setting. So I'm going to call the store method, which is going to create a file and it will store it. Okay, so now I'm going to navigate to my root folder. So this has created the file. So this is what we have set 4 values here, and it is created in this property file. Okay, so this is how it looks like. The property file looks like key and the value. So at any point of time you can change the password. Okay, if you want to change the DB password, you can change it, and if you restart your application, this password will be picked up whenever you load this property file. So this is the advantage, and I want to just show you how exactly the properties class looks like. The property class is inside the Java util package. I have opened the rt.jar from my Java environment using the Java decompiler, and I have traversed to Java util package, and I have opened the properties. Okay, so property files extends the hash table, and if you see here, we have load method which is going to read the file and it will load it properly, and we have set property. It's like normal hash table put. Okay, so this is how we can write to a property file using Java. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.